Okay, the three phase of the web. The three phase of the web. As you are coming into the digital marketing space, you need to understand how to navigate. We have noticed that some people don't understand how to use the web, maybe to search for information. We cannot overlook that, because if you know how to navigate the web, it will help you do your research. The information we give you plus the research you will do on your own will help you understand how to navigate the highly competitive world. And so basically we have three phases of the web, and the very first one is the portal. So in a layman's language, portal is a doorway, a gate, an entrance that enable us access a particular location. If you want to enter a house, you will certainly need a doorway, a door to pass through it. So the portal is exactly like that. So portal is a website or web page that provides access or links to other locations or sites. So that is portal. So a web portal is a modern approach companies and organizations adopt to enable them offer their products and services or content to their clients privately without making them available on the general website by the use of logins. If you have registered for a particular online course, like what we will be doing or what we are doing, if you register for our own online course, if you register for our online course, inside, before you can access that course, we will give you a login detail, we will give you a password, we will give you a personalized password that immediately you log into our website and you put that password, you will be able to have access to the website or to the information that you paid for. So that is a typical example of a web portal. The main difference between a website and a web portal is that web portals provide a single point of access, usually in the term of a login experience. That is exactly what we have said. Whether it is to market products, provide services, or build an initiative to control internal employee flows, a web portal is an excellent tool to establish long-term relationship with customers and users. So like now you buy our course, we give you a personalized login so that each time you want to access the course, you log in through such, using the login detail. We have different types of web portal. We have certainly have different types of web portals. So whether it is to market products, we have already done that. So web portals are classified based on the need it provides to the creator. So on the website, or when you are designing your website, or if you are asking a client, yes, a client for the type of website he needs, you should be able to specify the information that you will be providing on the website, the content. Different websites have different ways you go about designing it and the type of information that will be available. So the very first one we have here is the customer portal. We have the corporate portal, educational portal, information portal, human resources portal, e-commerce portal. What we do, you can combine your website might take care of three of these, you match as one. We will talk about that later, but let's just go to what each of them talks about. So the customer portal, we are still talking about the three types of web. So the customer portal is specifically for a specific client with a login detail and a password. That is a customer portal. When he buys your product, you can give him a particular login detail that he will be using to access the product he paid for. For most times, they can have access to the organization's data that they need. You can see the invoice for the product and service an organization will render to you. Have access to the company's policies, orders, deliveries, and you are provided with the option of making online payments. So, corporate portal. This type of web portal is used within the organization. That is, it's not external, it is within the organization to disseminate information within the organization. Customers and partners. It can be used for internal staff training. Those are corporate portal. Team participation, and most times the company's day-to-day activities are presented for everyone to see. In our company, we have the corporate portal in which on a daily basis we upload activities that happen in the organization, so that you don't need to be chatting everybody up. You just uh, upload the activity that happened during the day, and everybody have access to such information with just a click. So educational portal is basically for educational purposes. So educational portal is basically used for learning process, and it provides a personalized experience for each user. It contains, just for educational purpose, no long story, it contains library of documents that focus on teaching. Students can have all the needed information concerning their educational pursuit, grades, and activities, and they should just in one place. So it's basically for educational purpose. So information portal is basically for the purpose of disseminating information. So users are attracted to information portals because of the valuable information they will get from such portals. Information portal normally have high volume of traffic that can be converted to real money even without selling anything on the website. That is the reason most times I tell people, if you are in this digital age and you don't know how to make money, you are complaining of unemployment, you are to be blamed, because people are making huge money from stuff like this. People are monetizing their YouTube, people are monetizing their Facebook, people are monetizing your all the social media, people are monetizing their websites. When you have volume traffic, that is what internet is all about. It's a game of number, it's a game of number. So when YouTube sees that you post vital information and people always go there to watch your information, they will be paying you at the end of the day. So the same thing is applicable with information portal. So human resources portal. In some companies, the human resources portal enable employees to have access to information that will help them understand the company operation and how they will go about the day-to-day running of the organization's business. So e-commerce portal, this is the one most people are always familiar with for selling of products and the likes. So this is where products and services of a company is displayed for customers to see and make right buying decision, like most of the gigantic e-commerce websites we have in the world. So benefits of web portal. Why do we need web portal? As a business person, why do you need web portal? When somebody clicks into your website, the person will be opportune to have access to everything that you offer, all the services you offer. It is having a website is equivalent to having an office in the physical space where people come in, buy your product and services. So I don't see any reason why a business person should not have a website. I see no reason why a business person shouldn't have a website. It is a must. You must have a website so that you don't need to talk to people too much. If we give you our website, if you give you our website login detail, okay, it is already here. Our website login detail is already here. So all you need to, we don't need to speak plenty grammar. We don't need to talk to you just by giving you this website URL, www.subwaylimited.com or www.asukas.com. You will have access to all that we do, all the services that the organization offers. So that is exactly what a website do for you. So it gives you growth opportunity. Benefit of web portal, it gives you growth opportunity. Self-services, that means I don't need to talk to you too much. If you say what are you into, by giving you my website login detail, you will be able to understand the services that we offer. Business efficiency, it breaks that barrier of me trying to explain to you, talk you into the business. You'll be able to go to our website and analyze our authenticity, and you'll be able to do business with us. So income more income, you'll be able to make more profit. So online portals can improve team productivity, save you money, encourage communication, and keep employees up to date. Having a web portal is an important selling point to offering services and growing your business. So if you need a website, we are available. We design your website, and you'll be happy investing in this line. So don't say it's costly or it's not important. Why do people have why do big brands have a website? They don't just say they want to have a website because they know the importance. That is the reason they say they want to have a website. So growth opportunity, self-service, business efficiency, more income. That is exactly what we have just discussed with you. So number one is search engine. Search engine. So we are still talking about the different ways that you can communicate. So the next one now is search engine. So what is search engine? So search engine is a program or software that searches for item inputted by a user within a database that matches certain keywords or phrases on the World Wide Web. There is a big difference between the search engine and the web browser. Hopefully, we will be back and we continue.